Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is super special because I am joined by my lovely friend Joy all the way from Las Vegas.
Hi!
And today we are going to be recreating Red Velvet's Feel My Rhythm makeup looks.
And if you guys want to see more outfits and getting the photos to look like this, then head over to our joint channel in the description box below.
So with that being said, let's go ahead and hop right into the video. Alright, so to get started with my look first, I was inspired by Irene. They pretty much all had very soft and fresh pink makeup, but this was my reference picture. And I'm just starting off with my base first, just evening out my skin tone and then going in with my concealer to cover up my blemishes because today was not a good skin day. So really needed this concealer, and I'm just blending that in with my finger just to get the most coverage, and then just taking my beauty sponge and blending that all in together. And now I'm taking my contour stick because I'm going to just really chisel out my jawline, my chin, because I have a super round face and the girls of Red Velvet do not. So really just contouring my jawline here. Now I'm going in with my setting powder to set everything in so nothing moves around. And then quickly just filling in my brows. I did draw them a bit more straight and thinner than I usually do, but I love how this looks and I think this is how I should always draw on my brows. And now we're onto the eyes. I just started off with a light pink peachy shade for the base, and I just ran that all over my lids and also onto my lower lash line as well. And then just taking a mid-tone pink shimmer shade, applying that to the center of my eyes. And then of course we have to add glitter. I feel like this just brings everything together, gives a little twinkle to my eyes, which I love. And then I'm just going to draw on a little baby wing at the outer corners of my eyes just to elongate my eyes. I am using a dark brown eyeshadow to make it look very soft. And then quickly curling my lashes, applying mascara to the top and bottoms, and then applying my false lashes. And now just taking a bit of a peachy pink blush, applying that all over my cheeks, at the apples, blending that back, just pretty much all over on my nose. I feel like this just really brings the look together as well because you can't go wrong with too much blush. And I think it shows up really nicely on photos. Then for lip color, taking another peachy pink shade. The keyword for my look is peachy pink. I used all the peachy pinks in my collection. And now it's time for hair, so I just parted my hair a little bit to the side and then I took everything to the back and just tied it to a low bun. I also had this really pretty scrunchie that had pearls on it and like a little ribbon, so I thought that was just perfect for this hairstyle. And then of course I had to add on my pro headband to finish off the look, and I just tidied up my hair to tuck away all of the flyaways.
So for my makeup, I wanted to recreate Yuri's soft reddish brown eye look. So starting out, I'm using the ColourPop brow pencil in dark brown, and I'm creating a soft straight brow. I'm also defining my eyebrow tail a little bit more since the hairs are sparse there, but still keeping it natural looking. Then I'm applying the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter in number 1 Fair. I'm using this as a tinted primer because it helps smooth out my skin and it gives a really nice glow, which I think helps the rest of my face makeup I put on afterwards. Next, I'm using my Kosas concealer in number 3, and I'm applying it under the eyes and then also in the areas that I have redness. And then using my face brush, I'm just blending it out. I'm creating a soft wing using the M Cosmetics Divine Skies palette. I'm taking the milk chocolate brown color called Terra and also the warm rosy pink called Phoenix, and I'm mixing those together to create the soft wing that Yuri has in her look. Switching up the camera angle and lighting here, but now I'm applying the Yuzu liquid eyeliner in brown black. I'm keeping my eyeliner thin and then also creating a small wing. Then I'm touching up the reddish brown eyeshadow and then blending the eyeliner a little bit together so it doesn't look as harsh. Curling my eyelashes now, I'm going to apply the Kiss Me Volume and Curl Mascara in jet black before I apply my fake eyelashes. I'm using the House of Lashes Patrick Ta collaboration in It's a Look, and I'm really sad because these are literally the perfect eyelashes for monolids and now they're discontinued. So if you also have monolid eyes and you have a go-to, let me know what your favorite eyelashes are. And then I'm taking the same eyeshadow combination and putting it on my waterline and then bringing it up to the wing to make it look a little smoked out and sultry. Now I'm applying the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Party, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my cheeks. I'm also adding a little bit of mascara underneath on my bottom lashes. And now for my favorite part, I'm applying the M Cosmetics True Gloss in Magic Hour. It's this really nice glossy rosy pink, and then on top of that I'm going to apply the M Cosmetics Lip Cushion Tinted Lip Moisturizer in Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa kind of has this cool tone sheer iridescence, and I think that's what makes this lip combo look really great together because the Magic Hour is really pink and rosy, and then the Mona Lisa has the iridescence, which just makes my lips a lot more voluminous, and I really like the combo. So shout out for Judy for gifting me these. For the hair, it was pretty simple. I just bobby pinned the front where I wanted everything to sit, and then I put my hair into a low ponytail. And then I started wrapping it into a messy hair bun. Honestly, I wasn't really that concerned with how the back of it looked. I just really wanted the front to look really clean and sleek. I started adding bobby pins to the bun and then also in other places where I felt like it could be tighter. And then I sprayed down my flyaways. And then I'm combing my hair one last time before I am finished. Last but not least, to complete the look, I'm adding 2 pearl headbands. I'm putting the small pearl headband in front and then the bigger pearl headband that has gems in between behind, and it really reminded me of Joy and Irene's look. So I thought that pearl combo would look really cute together.
So here are our final looks. What do you guys think?
Again, if you want to see the recreation, head over to our joint channel.
Thanks for watching. Bye.